Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Got the whole crew here with me today as usual. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing our Birchbox for April 2021. This is a $15 a month subscription, and here we should have between like 5 and 7 beauty, skincare, hair care, makeup samples. If you're new to my channel, I'm a cruelty-free YouTuber, so if at any time while I'm filming, if I don't know if something's cruelty-free, I will have that displayed for you right here on the screen while I'm editing, and then I will also do the research, do the math, all that stuff, and put the estimated sample size value there as well, and then I'll add it up at the end, find out if we're getting a good deal or not. So if that sounds good to you, we're going to get started right now. Wanted to mention too, if you hear any weird sounds back there, that little girl right there, she's chewing on that big bone, so you may hear some crunching, some weird sounds. That's just her. Okay, so when you open the box, it's actually very different this month. I'm surprised. So it used to come with a small box in here that would have everything in it, but it looks like it's all loose right here. So that's different. But then I'm also noticing this right here, which I don't know if this is part of the bag, but these are the Stasher reusable Ziploc bags is how I compare it. I've never tried the Stasher brand, but I have heard really, really good things about them. They're like the top tier reusable bag. I think you can freeze them and all that stuff. I have ones from different brands, but excited to get this. I use reusable bags quite frequently. I try to limit my use of Ziploc or other freezer quart bags, those kind of things. So I'm excited to get this. And these are actually fairly expensive, if I'm remembering correctly. So there's that. Mine's yellow. I'm excited to get that. Let me pull out the card right here. Okay, so this card right here has sort of like the theme for the month. And it says Birchbox by Stasher or Time Stasher with Stasher right there at the top. So I don't know if this is like a forever thing or just this month thing, but either way, I'm excited to get it. It is not listed on the back here as one of the items in the bag, so I don't know. I don't know if this is a new thing or what, but there is another little card in here about the Stasher bag. So it says you can microwave them, stovetop safe, which I assume like is if you want to boil it, like boil the bag, freezer friendly, dishwasher safe, oven strong, and sous vide, is that how you say that? Sous vide? That like boiling stick thing, safe for that too. So very, very durable. I'm excited though. I hope this is like a permanent thing, but it's probably not. These are really expensive. Okay, so not sure if I mentioned, but this card also is going to have everything we're getting as well as their full size value. So I'll be sure to mention that. Let's just go ahead and pull out the first item I'm seeing. So this right here is from Vitamasks, which I don't know if they are cruelty-free. Yes, they are cruelty-free. This is the Hydrate Blue Agave Biodegradable Sheet Mask and Eco Pouch. That's awesome. So I'm thinking this month is like an eco-friendly month, which I'm here for. So Blue Agave. So it's got hyaluronic acid, squalene, agave, sea berry, and spirulina. I don't know how to say that. I definitely will give this a try. Excited to give it a go. The full size value is $5, so there's that. $5 for a sheet mask seems pretty right on par with any other sheet mask that exists. So excited to get that. Also, sorry if I sound like I'm ill. I think I'm having allergies or something, but I'm feeling a little congested. So if I sound sick, that's why. Okay, let's just go out and pull out the next thing. This is from Refill, which I've never heard of this brand. This is the Refill Beauty Balm. Really cute packaging. It reminds me of Pixie with that green. I'm assuming this is like a blush, but oh, it's just like a chapstick. There it is. It's just like a clear balm. I don't think it smells like anything. My smelling is a little off due to the congestion, but I don't smell anything. So this says not just a lip balm, this is your multi-use balm for anything. Plus it's refillable. Made with a blend of natural oils, hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and squalene. It hydrates and conditions dry skin, helps promote a skin barrier function, and leaves a protective layer that's light and soft. Apply to lips, cuticles, dry patches of skins, or anywhere as you need. And then there's refills that are sold. So that's awesome. I think that's great. I'm into this box. I try to be less wasteful, so things like this really make me happy. The full size is $12. that doesn't seem that bad for something that's eco-friendly, in my opinion. Okay, let's pull out the next thing. This is from Comfort Zone, which is cruelty-free. This is the Remedy Cream to Oil Ultra Gentle Cleanser. I have tried a couple things from this brand, including a cleanser, but I don't think this one exactly. Sounds like a makeup removing with the oil thing. The things I don't like about this brand is that it's like super perfumed, and like not in a good way, like super strong. Ah, came out my nose. Again, my smelling's a little off, so I don't know if it's scented or not, but I'm not smelling anything. So maybe they're trying to get away from that? I don't know. So this is a neat cleanser that transforms as you use it. First, the cream gently removes impurities, then as you massage it in, it becomes an oil to leave skin soft and refreshed. Oh. I'm not crazy. It says no fragrances added, so that's really good because like I said, the other things I've tried from this brand are so overpowering that I just don't even like them. The ones I've had in the past, I've just tried to use up because I just didn't enjoy the super overpowering scent. So that's really good. And the full size is $35. I don't know. That seems a little overpriced to me. Okay, let's pull out this next thing. This is from Grace and Stella, which is cruelty-free. This is the Spray All Day Rose Spray Hydrating Facial Spray. So this thing I'm not going to open up. I don't like the scent of roses, and I think I had a full size of this before that's actually still sitting in my giveaway pile. I just don't like the scent of roses, and I'm just not going to waste it and open it. So unfortunately, I won't be able to try this out for you today, but there's that. The full size is $25. Oh, I mean, that seems a little overpriced. But yeah, so it helps to hydrate skin, reduce redness, and maintain the skin's pH balance. So it's like one of those like morning sprays, you know, that's becoming a thing, I guess. All right, and we have one last item. This is from Magnotone. This is the Wipeout Swipes Eco-Friendly Microfiber Makeup Removal Pads. So there's that. Let's go ahead and open this open this from the box. I can't talk. Oh, cool. So I have things like this already that are a little bit bigger, so these are nice. They're like just little microfiber puffs almost. What do you do with them exactly though? The ones I have are really big. These, let's see. Okay, so these will remove even the toughest long wear makeup with just warm water. Wet the swipe and use a circular motion to gently wipe away makeup. Definitely will give these a go. I enjoy reusable, I have like reusable cotton rounds that I really like a lot, and these kind of remind me of them. They're a little more poofy, but definitely into stuff like this since I gave up makeup removing wipes a while ago. So anything that I can have that makes that easier, definitely a plus in my book. The full size is a 6-pack and it's $20. So I think that's a decent price for something that you can reuse. It says up to thousands of times. So I definitely will use these. It's like a makeup removing cloth that they have, but just small. So I definitely will give that a go. All right, so that's everything I got in this month's box. And honestly, this might be my most favorite Birchbox I've ever received. The only thing I'm not going to use is the rose spray, just because I don't like the scent of roses. Everything else is great, and I'm really excited to have this. I've always wanted to try these. I've just heard really, really good things about this. I know I'm getting a makeup box, and I'm excited about my reusable stasher bag, but yeah, really pumped. I'm curious to see if this is something they're going to keep doing, or if next month we're just going to go back to the box. I don't know. I guess we'll have to wait and see. But this box I thought was really, really good. Definitely my most favorite Birchbox I've ever received. But now I'd love to hear from you. What did you guys think of this box? Let me know right down in the comments. But yeah, that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more puppies, like this young man right here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys. You want to say bye? No? Well, why not? Oh, you want to play ball. That's always what you want to do. Old man Bronx. And old lady Josie.